Hello all. So today we are going to make homemade sambar powder. So go watch the video and hope you like it. Firstly, in a pan on low medium flame, we are going to take in about 2 teaspoons of oil. To that I'm going to add in a teaspoon of methi seeds, 2 teaspoons of urad dal, 2 teaspoons of chana dal, 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Fry them for a minute. And 6 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 5 sprigs of curry leaves, and fry for a few seconds. Now I'm adding in 12 Biarge chili with 3 Guntur chilies. Fry for 30 seconds on low flame. Remember not to increase the heat. Keep stirring continuously. Now turn off the flame and add in 1.5 teaspoons of poppy seeds and give it a good mix. Allow this to cool down. Put it into a grinder jar and grind it into fine powder. I like my sambar puri little coarse, so I grinded it coarsely, but you require to grind it as a fine powder. Okay, so store it in an airtight jar and you can keep it in your freezer for about a month. Since we make sambar every week, so this will get over within 2 weeks for me. So if you make sambar rarely, you can store in your freezer for about 1 month. So this should be, keep in mind, this should be grinded as a fine powder, but for myself I like it coarsely grinded. So this is homemade sambar powder. So it's best to use whatever ingredients that you have at home and make the powders instead of buying it at the stores. You never know what all they would add. So especially if you have kids, this is the most healthiest way to do. So hope you like the recipe and do try it, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.